This is a video showing you how to replace the faulty display panel on this console. Okay, now to remove this display panel, you need to come round the console and remove the screws behind it. Okay, now using the tool provided, the one with the multi-spanner with the screwdriver tip, proceed to undo the screws at the bottom here. There are 8 types of screws at the same 8 of the same types of screws along here and 7 along here. Okay, now I'm going to remove the first one, which is around here like that. Okay, the screw actually looks like this. Now the second one is here, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, 7 and 8. You see, I'm going to remove the 8th one as well over here. Now put it aside. Then I'm going to proceed to move the other 7 screws along here, along this squarish block over here, starting by this one over here. Now I've already removed the others. The first one is here, second one is here, third one is here, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, and the 7th one. I'm going to remove the 7th one over here. Okay, so I've removed a total of 15 screws, you see, and this will actually loosen the control panel itself. Okay, now let's see. Now tilt the panel forward like this. Okay. You just need to remove 2 more screws. Okay, now when you tilt it over like this, then you have access to the last 2 screws at the bottom of this square block over here. You just have to remove the last 2 screws under this square block over here. I've changed my tool now into a magnetic screw tip, so I'm going to remove the last 2 screws over here. Like that one, and the second one. So I can proceed to remove the display panel over here like that. And this is what it looks like around the back, you see. Now to remove the panel completely, you need to disconnect 2 main cables over here, the one with the blue connector and the one with the white connector. Now these 2 connectors are somewhat glued, you know. I've actually removed the glue, so I'm going to show you what I did. Now there were blobs of glue around here. You can see little bits of it still on the cable over here. Now using a sharp blade, you see, I sort of cut the glue away like that, you see, all along the edges of the connector over here on the blue connector and the white connector. So, and then when you cut up the glue, use your fingers to peel it off like that, you see. So little bits of glue will come off like that, you see. So once the glue have come off completely, you are now able to pinch the little tab over here to release the latch of the connector. Now let me show you. Squeeze it like that, and then you disconnect the cable like that. Similarly, do the same for the white connector over here. So now you're able to free the display board. Okay. Now to replace the new display panel on the console, simply reconnect the connectors to the circuit board over here, like the blue one on this side and the white one on this side. Okay. Now make sure none of the cables here are stressed up or impinged. So pop the panel back like this. And proceed to mount the mount the board back, starting with the 2 screws over here, inside here, okay? Now, when you put the console back in position, now you will fasten the 7 screws along the square block over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay? Followed by the last 8 screws, starting from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once you've done that, that's it.